In 2022, a simple chatbot shocked the entire world. Within 5 days, it crossed 1 million users, and within 2 months, it crossed 100 million users, making it one of the fastest growing products in the history. That product is none other than ChatGPT. And behind it, it's a company called OpenAI. But how did OpenAI rise from a small research lab to one of the most powerful AI companies in the world? This is the growth story of OpenAI. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of tech leaders, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Girk Brookman. Their goal was ambitious. They wanted to build an artificial general intelligence, also known as AGI or AI, that can help and think and learn like humans. But they also had a concern. What if powerful AI technology ended up in the wrong hands? So, OpenAI started as a non-profit organization focused on building AI that benefits all of humanity. At that time, this idea sounded futuristic, but things were about to change very quickly. In its early years, OpenAI was focused heavily on research. They developed AI models that could play games, write text, and understand language. One of their early breakthroughs was GPT, a model designed to generate human like text. GPT stood for Generative Pre Trained Transformer. Each new version became smarter and more powerful. GPT-2 showed impressive capabilities, but OpenAI initially hesitated to release it publicly because of concerns about misuse. This showed how seriously the company took AI safety. But building AI advanced models required enormous computing power, and that meant huge funding. In 2019, OpenAI made a huge major decision. They created for-profit arm called OpenAI LP. This allowed them to raise investments while still maintaining their mission. One of the biggest investors was Microsoft, which invested billions of dollars into OpenAI. This partnership gave OpenAI access to Microsoft cloud infrastructure and massive computing resources. Now, OpenAI had both talent and funding, and they were ready to build something revolutionary. Then came the moment that changed everything. In November 2022, OpenAI launched ChatGPT. It was conversational AI that could answer questions, write essays, generate code, and even create stories. People around the world were amazed by how natural the responses felt. Students used it for learning, developers used it for coding, businesses used it for productivity. Within weeks, ChatGPT became a global sensation. It was one of the fastest growing apps in internet history. ChatGPT's success triggered a massive AI race. Tech giants like Google, Meta, and Amazon started investing heavily in their own AI models. Microsoft integrated open AI technology into products like Bing and Microsoft Office. Suddenly, AI was no longer just a research project. It became the next technological revolution, and OpenAI was at right the center of it. But OpenAI's journey hasn't been without challenges. There have been debates about AI safety, regulation, and the potential impact on jobs. Some critics worry that powerful AI systems could be misused or create misinformation. Others believe AI will dramatically transform industries and improve productivity. Managing this balance between innovation and responsibility remains one of the OpenAI's biggest challenges. Despite these debates, one thing is clear. OpenAI has fundamentally changed how people interact with technology. AI tools are now helping millions of people write, learn, code, and solve problems faster. What once felt like science fiction is quickly becoming a part of everyday life, and this transformation is only just the beginning. From a small research lab in 2015 to one of the most influential AI companies in the world, OpenAI's journey has been extraordinary. Its technology is shaping the future of education, work, and creativity. And as an AI continues to evolve, the story of OpenAI is far from over. And that was the story of OpenAI. If you enjoy learning the stories behind startups, technologies, and innovations, subscribe to our channel because every company has a journey and every journey has a growth story.